Good girl. Come on. Come on. Look at all that stuff you chewed up. Wow. Good thing we got papers down, huh? That's such nice soft wood for you. Wow, good girl. Good chicken. This toy is from Bird Tricks. Come on, chew it up some more, Bubba. There you go. You love that, don't you? You just love that, huh? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Well, we'll hang this back up in your cage. I just want everyone to see just how much you enjoy this Bird Trick toy. And just how soft it is. Yeah. Wow, you got yourself a nice piece there, huh? Good girl, chicken. Good girl. Okay. I'm always thrilled when I can find her something she likes.